But overall though, this is like a 2-month, 3-month update. I think it's 2 months though, but this hair is amazing. This is like my favorite frontal unit I've ever had, y'all. I have had this hair for so long and it has never did me wrong. Like, the frontal is still full. Everything is just amazing. So, and also if you haven't watched my unboxing video with this wig, it will be on my channel and I will put the link down in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.